If you're wondering how to integrate Oyster with your existing HR tools, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to seamlessly integrate Oyster with your HR stack and streamline your employee management. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make the most of Oyster's integration capabilities and ensure your HR workflows are running smoothly. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can access Oyster completely for free through the exclusive link in the description below, with some added bonuses that you won't want to miss out on. Stick around and I'll share more details about that at the end of the video. So, how do you integrate Oyster with your existing HR tools? The first thing you'll want to do is check out the integrations page within Oyster's platform. It's well organized with a list of compatible HR tools such as payroll systems, benefits providers, and even performance management tools. These integrations are designed to ensure that you can sync data easily between systems without needing a lot of manual effort. It helps eliminate data silos, so you can have a clearer, more connected view of your workforce. Next, you'll want to use Oyster's pre-built connectors to get started. They offer integrations with some of the most popular tools out there, like Bamboo HR, Gusto, and Rippling, just to name a few. This makes the process pretty straightforward because these integrations have already been optimized by the Oyster team. All you need to do is follow the step-by-step setup instructions to link your HR tools to Oyster. In case your HR tools are custom built or don't have a direct integration option, don't worry. Oyster supports API integrations, which allows you to connect virtually any system that you may be using. The API documentation is comprehensive, with all the details you need to make the integration process as smooth as possible. You'll be able to sync employee data, payroll information, and other critical HR data across platforms without the headache of double entry or manual updates. One of the most valuable features of integrating Oyster with your HR tools is the ability to automate workflows. For instance, when a new hire is onboarded, Oyster can automatically sync their information with your payroll system and benefits providers, reducing the time spent on manual setup and ensuring data consistency. Additionally, when employees move departments or change positions, these updates are reflected across all connected tools, so you don't have to manually update each one. Now, it's important to test your integrations after you've set everything up. Oyster makes it easy to do this by offering a sandbox mode where you can run tests before pushing changes to your live systems. This way, you can ensure that all the connections are working as expected and that data is flowing correctly between Oyster and your other HR tools. If you encounter any challenges, don't worry. Oyster has a robust support system in place. Their customer support team can guide you through troubleshooting and offer advice on optimizing your integration. Plus, they have a community forum where users share tips and solutions that can help speed up your process. As you're exploring Oyster's integration capabilities, don't forget that you can access a free trial through the link below. With our exclusive offer, you can try Oyster for an extended period, giving you the time you need to fully explore its features and see how it fits into your HR tech ecosystem. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this opportunity. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to integrate Oyster with your existing HR tools like a pro, making your HR workflows more efficient and hassle-free. Remember, the first link below gives you access to Oyster completely free with our exclusive bonuses. So go ahead and give it a try and watch how Oyster helps you optimize your HR operations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that free trial.